Hello, today we're gonna make the ultimate homemade burger. So the ingredients that we're gonna use today are ketchup, mayonnaise, a pinch of salt, tomato slice, lettuce, cheese, onion, and mince meat, and just a little bit of flour, 2 tablespoons of oil, and burger buns. No, this is half pound of mince meat. So you just add half teaspoon of salt. And then you just work the salt in. And then this is all the ingredients we're gonna add to this. Nothing else, and you just shape it like a burger. The key is to shape it like a burger. Alright. And now, just do like that. And flip it and do like that. And flip it again. Okay, now use a fork and just make some ventilating holes. Alright. So now you just use a little of the flour and sprinkle. The only purpose for this is not to allow it to stick when we're gonna fry it. And you just do it on the opposite side. And you can make some holes on this side too. So now we're gonna put it in a frying pan. Or you can put it in a grill. Put to heat a frying pan. Put the flame on 6. Allow it to get hot. Allow the pot to get hot for about 2 minutes before you add the oil. Now, after that, add the oil. After 1 minute, circulate the oil. Be sure the oil is circulating the pot. Now we're going to add the burger. Be sure the side you're going to add first is floured. I love to fry. You should, after about a minute, just barely work it with a spatula. And whenever fast, work it. use a spatula. Flip it. Allow that to dry. Now add the onion. I saute my onion. And this is the trick now. I'm gonna do like this. This is a 5-pound weight. This is a clean cloth. Now after a while, remove this. See? Remove the onions. So what I like to do is check it, make sure it's done. while you check it, make sure that it's finished. You not see no red. I know some of you like your meat rare. And then that's it. It's finished. You can turn the stove off. Smells just like Burger King. I forgot the name. No one ever said. Take a bun, slice it, and toast it. To the top piece, spread mayonnaise. And you can put some on this. You see, this is homemade, so you can do it any way you want. I like to put some on the top because I like mayonnaise. Put ketchup on one side. Add tomatoes. Add the onions. Should I put the onions first? But it's okay. You should have put the onions first so the onions will stick to the sauce so it won't run. But I forgot. Add the lettuce. Add the lettuce. Add the burger. And now add, no, can't forget the cheese. How can you? Add the cheese. Then add the burger. And you just flip it. Good. Take out my shot now. Homemade burger. Homemade burger. Homemade hamburger. Cheeseburger, homemade ultimate hamburger. The ultimate homemade hamburger. This is me taking a bite. Wow, look, it's getting less. It's getting less. Look at that. It's getting less. You won't see this the next time. Well, one more bite. That's it. See ya. Homemade hamburger.